Well, in his latest note, Greed and Fear, Chris Wood of Jefferies has devoted a lot of time and attention as well as its energies to the fact that Chinese equity markets that have been so volatile lately, what is it that the regulatory authorities are saying, whether there is further cause for concern, whether there have been reconciliatory noises being made, and how exactly is he positioning and is he advising investors to position themselves, especially in the Chinese markets. Along with that, he also talks about the big tech as far as America is concerned, and he speaks about, especially the kind of worries that emanated due to some of the companies, some of the listings as far as the Chinese as well as the US markets actually were facing, given the fact that there were data sharing concerns. So all of this is something that Chris Wood has spoken about. First thing, what he's saying is that it's extremely encouraging to see a rebound as far as the battered Chinese equity class is concerned. He says that. He also says that recent announcements made by the regulatory authority, made by the Chinese heads, indicate that it is not really a case where they do not care about the equity markets. They continue to care about equity markets, and it shows that stock market concerns is something that mainland Chinese authority have. He also says it reduces the concern that the market perception that had built in, expecting that the Chinese premier actually was taking a significantly hard stand towards capitalism, and also this was something that he believes foreign investors in Chinese equities were worried about. So he's saying a lot of the moves, a lot of the noises, a lot of the comments being made by Chinese mainland authorities is assuaging all of these concerns. He's saying that the announcements indicate the need to encourage continued foreign investment into the Chinese equity market. Along with that, he's saying that the Chinese Securities Regulatory Commission, which is now supporting the launch of the futures contract as far as Chinese markets is concerned, is quite positive. He's saying that number one, this will improve the depth, the liquidity, and also this particular move will help attract more foreign capital into the mainland Chinese stocks. So he's saying China is also looking to resolve the issue mainland regulators have raised over data security. Remember, there have been quite a few noises in terms of Chinese stocks listed on the US markets, the US stock holding in terms of the management of these companies, also data worries. A lot of these worries have emanated, and some noises being made in the right manner is something that he believes will help foreign investments. He is also talking about the American big tech stocks. He's saying that a lot of these companies at this point of time actually are facing lawsuits, in different panels, in different capacities. However, he's not really too worried. And he also says that investors at this point of time aren't very too worried. They're saying that these stocks are really big, and he believes that in most cases they have made a good case for themselves. So overall, it's one particular newsletter where Chris Wood has focused on the Chinese markets and in fact has increased his stance and his weightage on some of the stocks in that particular market.